Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing top 10 veggies highest in protein. Protein is vital to the functioning of cells in living organisms. Proteins are required for the structure and regulation of the body's tissues and organs. They are made up of long chains of amino acids, at least 20 different types of amino acids. In fact, and these amino acids are the building blocks of life. Our body uses amino acids to create new cells and tissues. It's also important for boosting our immune system, producing enzymes and hormones, transporting oxygen throughout the body, protecting our bones and muscles, and even helping with digestion. Although we typically associate protein with meat, poultry, and fish, the truth is that many plant foods are excellent sources of this important nutrient. Here are the top 10 veggies highest in protein. Number 1. Spinach. This leafy green vegetable is one of the most popular and most nutrient-dense vegetables in the world for a reason. 1 cup of cooked spinach contains 5.6 grams of protein. Number 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is another powerhouse when it comes to nutrition. 1 cup of cooked broccoli contains 6.6 grams of protein. Number 3. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are a unique and versatile ingredient that can be added to a variety of dishes. 1 cup of sliced mushrooms contains 3.8 grams of protein. Number 4. Green peas. Green peas are a delicious and nutritious addition to salads, soups, and stir-fries. 1 cup of cooked green peas contains 8.8 grams of protein. Number 5. Asparagus. Asparagus is a springtime staple that's high in protein and fiber. 1 cup of cooked asparagus contains 5.2 grams of protein. Number 6. Potatoes. Potatoes are a starchy vegetable that's higher in protein than you might think. 1 medium potato contains 4.3 grams of protein. Number 7. Eggplant. Eggplant is a versatile vegetable that can be prepared in countless ways. 1 cup of cooked eggplant contains 4.7 grams of protein. Number 8. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are a great source of vitamin C and other nutrients. 1 cup of chopped bell peppers contains 3.2 grams of protein. Number 9. Cabbage. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable that's high in fiber and protein. 1 cup of shredded cabbage contains 2.8 grams of protein. Number 10. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is another cruciferous vegetable that's low in calories and high in protein. 1 cup of cooked cauliflower contains 5.3 grams of protein. And there you have it, the top 10 veggies highest in protein. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button for more videos like this. Have a wonderful day.